What's up, everybody? My name is Vince. Welcome to the channel. In this video, you are going to be seeing one of the offerings that I'm most excited about from the newly announced MX FUEL line from Milwaukee Tools. The MX FUEL carry-on 3600, 1800 watt power supply. It provides the best power for the job. Its compact size, quiet operations, and no emissions provide efficient, accessible power anywhere.
So today I'm excited to introduce to you the MX FUEL carry-on portable power supply. It's going to provide more power on demand. It's going to provide efficient power all day. And you can take this thing anywhere, inside, outside, on the job, off the job, it doesn't matter. Emissions free, making it the best power for the job. So let's talk about that power for a second. This thing is designed to output enough peak power to turn over those power hungry 15 amp motor motors. So if you're thinking table saw, miter saw, top of mind, no problem. We got you covered. You're not only going to do that, but it can do it for a long time. Now this unit will operate off of 1 or 2 batteries. The second battery is a pure runtime play. To give you perspective, on just one battery, you get 600 cuts on 2x4. You slap that second battery on there, you're up to 1200 cuts. Another example, if you haven't purchased our sweet new MAT FUEL framing nailer that you just saw today, and you're still running twin stack compressor, that's all right, we got you covered, You get 600 3-inch framing nails on one battery. Once again, slap that second battery on there, you're up to 1200. Final example I'm going to share with you is a 3/4 inch black pipe. You can cut, deburr, and thread 30 pieces of 3/4 inch black pipe with one battery. Once again, slap that second battery on there, you're up to 60 pieces. Alright, so what's important to understand, is that powering more on demand is not just about those power-hungry 15 amp corded products. There's a lot more to it. It's also about doing it intelligently. We utilize pure sine wave technology with the MX FUEL carry-on portable power supply. And the benefit's twofold. The first is that's going to allow those AC products to run more efficiently, get you more runtime. But the second thing is it's going to be able to power sensitive electronics, like this flat screen TV. How many tailgaters do we have in this rotation? We got a couple, heads nodding, all right. So to give you perspective, you'll be able to power this 55-inch TV on one battery for over 7 hours. And if you're feeling really crazy and you want to tailgate for 14 hours, which if you do, I want your contact info, I want to hang out with you, slap a second battery on there, you're good to go. Got a nice little break area set up. Yeah, have a seat if you want. Anybody in the mood for some popcorn, per se?
Yeah.
All right. See, afternoon, we get some snacks going here. Pull out a bag of popcorn. Set this thing up. Good popcorn setting. Let her rip. Get some tunes jamming. So who thought that you'd see today where you'd be able to sit down, have a break, have a warm meal without having access to permanent power? Now I know the thought that's running across all your minds is that's cool, but how long is something like that going to run? To give you perspective, it will power approximately 35 to 40 Jimmy Dean breakfast sandwiches per charge. And that's real. So this goes back to that pure sine wave technology, right? So it's not just about the power output, it's also about the pure sine wave and being able to power equipment like that microwave, so now you can have a warm meal. Right, so the MX FUEL portable power supply also provides efficient power all day. Now if you look at how gas generators are used, you set them up, you turn them on, you let them run, right? And these things can be idling for hours on end, basically until the tank goes empty. And what's happening here is you're going to be pulling power 20-25% of the time, right? So all that money that you've invested in fuel is quite literally going up in smoke. So MX FUEL carry-on portable power supply, you don't have to worry about that, right? There's no idling. There's no maintenance, there's no parts. You charge your batteries up, you push a button, you're good to go. Making efficient power all day and lower operating expenses across the board. Now, final thing I'm going to point out to you is that this is portable power anywhere. Now, that is not the case for gas generators and inverters today. Right? Gas generators and inverters, you set them up, as I mentioned, you turn them on outside, and you run extension cords inside. And the reason you're doing that is because it emits this thing called carbon monoxide, which does not get along well with humans. It'll make you sick, or worst case, it'll kill you. So set them up, and you run extension cords to your work area to where you need to be. Now what's happening when you do this is two things. One, you're introducing more trip hazards, more extension cords. Second is that you're creating this thing called voltage drop, right? So the more extension cords you run in, the more voltage drop you get. The less power you get on the other end, less efficient, less productive you are. Those days are gone. All you have to do is pick this thing up just like this guy behind me and carry it on the job site with you to your specific work area. Now, this is designed for the job site. And we wanted to shed a couple pounds to make it a little easier to get on and off. So compared to this guy right here, we're about 4 pounds lighter with both batteries, fully loaded. And then if you take a battery off it, because you can power it with one battery, we're about 11 pounds lighter. Now also it's designed to have a minimal footprint. And the purpose behind this is that you can fit it anywhere on the road. So it'll fit on those gray carts on the bottom, push it around your work area, or something like you have a picture over here with the scissor lift. So if you need to run something overhead, you can fit it in the scissor lift with you and not have to worry about extension cords getting caught in between the scissors you're going up and down. Now there's a couple feature sets I want to point out that you all should be aware of. First is that it does have 2 outlets. Right? So 2 outlets. It's primarily intended for one person, maybe 2 people, but you can run one 15 amp corded product and then use the other outlet for something like a charger. And you can run both of them simultaneously. Other thing I want to point out is you probably are wondering about GFCI, right? Just saying GFCI, what's the deal with that? So it's a little different. It has what's called ground fault isolation, which means it cannot hit a external fault, which means it will be approved for use on job sites. Other thing I want to point out is it does have an integrated charger. So you take this cable that will be provided, plug it in the side, and it'll charge your batteries up sequentially. Now in terms of charge time, right here we have 2 XC batteries loaded. 1 XC battery will take approximately 90 minutes from empty to full. And then we have the compact battery, which I don't know if you've been to the Cord Girl yet, you'll see that. That'll take about 45 minutes to charge. What questions do we have? Cold weather? Oh, so the question was cold weather. Great question. So this is designed to operate below zero F, right? So for you all folks up north, you know, you're probably looking at always cold. You're always cold, yeah. Just like our high output red lithium batteries that we introduced last year, same exact great benefits that you can work below zero, no issues.
Rain? Fahrenheit?
What's that?
0 Fahrenheit?
0 Fahrenheit, yes.
What about rain?
Oh, okay. So the question is, what about rain? So I'll tell you, this is not weather rated or weatherproof rated. I mean, you can't put it up, you know, on a lift, or sorry, not a lift, a crane, and let it sit outside for days on end. However, we do recognize that people will forget it, right? Accidentally leave it outside. So we do have protections to cover that, but it's not intended to be left outside for extended periods.
I know all this information's new and exciting. If you want more information about the MX Fuel line, you can click on any one of these videos here. If you like our content, like our channel, love our style, get subscribed over there. With that, I appreciate every single one of you. See you on the next one.